Family. All right. So NVDA, we up almost 2%. Now it's at 118.17. Right? We hopped in that call option. It was at 114. So it's up about $4. Right? It's up about $4. We up 22%. We up to 122. Remember, we got in this at $1. Right? We always set limit orders on options so it can come back and pick us up. And then once it pick us up, we run it because we get in on the pullback, right? Because every time it tries to pull back to support, you want to get in at those support levels. That's why I tell y'all to set the limits for certain prices on the pullback. Because if you watch it, it's pulling back to a certain price. And then you watch it, it's running up to a certain price. You can watch the call option the same way and watch the price points. Like, I'm going to show y'all. Let's see. Let's get in here. All right. Let's see. It ain't showing me nothing. Let's see for the week. Right? Now, when was this? Yesterday? 12th? Right? It was dropping. It was the low. Was like 72 cents. 62 cents. Oh, no, that was yesterday. This was yesterday. The low was 88 cents, 84 cents. That's what I was telling y'all. I wanted to pull back to about 80 something. But we got in there about $1. Pull back 99 cents. See that? That's when we got in right there. We set that limit order and we just waited. It pulled back 99 cents. Boom, put us in and started to run. Y'all see that? How the price went up to 125, closed at 122. And that's where we at, 122. Y'all see that? So we just being patient, family, and watching it. But if it wants to pull back down to that dollar range, under $1, don't get scared to hop in one, family. Because as earnings come, this is how stocks do. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Stocks go up, stocks go down. And essentially what's happening is like you breathing. You breathe in, right? And you breathe out. You let it out. That's what the stocks are doing. The stocks breathe in when they going up, they breathing in. And then they gotta take a breath. So they come down a little bit, they breathing out. It's like a rhythm, family. And when y'all catch it, y'all see what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna get in that book and I'll give y'all a few inserts out of the book so we can start getting some knowledge. I'm gonna start getting back in the book so we can start getting some real knowledge. And I like to show y'all because a lot of people like to see, but a lot of people actually like to hear and reaffirm what they see. So I have to get back in the book and get y'all back on that knowledge. But NVIDIA is still running. So when this opens up today, this is going to be more valuable because it's moving closer to that 140 price. See, the way how call options work, like we got the 140 call option on. The closer and closer this gets to 140, this is going to be more valuable. It's going to be worth more money. That's why we playing the options. We just have to be patient, and let NVIDIA run up like it want to do, and then we sell. And then we take that money that we made for the options, half of it, and we buy long-term positions, right? The other half, we keep our money rolling in the options game. We keep our money working both sides. Like you want to work your money with stocks, because stocks are going to go up. And you want to work your money with options because options are going to go up. But the most important thing is the knowledge of knowing when to get in, when to get out. When you playing options, it's a range. You get in at support, you get out at resistance, right? Or if it wants to break through resistance and you got a little time, you let it come on back and, like right now it's pulling back, huh? NVIDIA running now, it's moving now. starting to move a little bit now. It's coming back down. It's moving from 116 to 118. Y'all see that? As we speak. So it's just, once y'all understand how much money you can make, and you can just be dumping money into these stocks because you're making it, and then if you actually need that money, you can liquidate stocks, and you have actual cold hard cash, then you'll start to invest in stocks a little more, because you'll be like, damn, why am I putting all this money in the bank? And I don't got no reason for me to put all this money in the bank when I can put my money into these stocks and make 20% in maybe a month. Versus you got your money in the bank and you got that same amount in the bank month after month. They might give you a few cents. But I'm telling y'all, family, we got to take risk. High risk, high reward. Low risk, low reward. So you can save your money in the bank and get 0.0 whatever, or you can put your money in the stock market and get 10 to 12% a year. That's easy, right? I mean, you can go look, like I told y'all to buy Bitcoin. I'm always buying Bitcoin, sending it to my daughter and my son, right? So I'm gonna show y'all. I told y'all Bitcoin was coming down 49,000, right? Bitcoin coming down 49,000, right? So we hopped in about 50 something, brought our dollar cost average down to 52,000. Now Bitcoin back up 61,000. It's almost up 10 grand. Y'all feel me? And this is the same way. The more crypto you invested in, the higher percentage gain you're gonna have, right? So understand that too, family. And crypto is the future. I'm gonna just be real with y'all. They buying Bitcoin by the boatload. They got a plan to put Bitcoin on the balance sheet. That's why I've been telling us to buy Bitcoin and buy crypto. Man, it's probably been about 6 years now. I've been saying buy this stuff. And now they talking about it. I get chills just thinking about it sometimes, because I seen it way back then where they was going with this. That's what's so crazy. But that's our morning talk. You know, just give y'all some game and give y'all some guidance this morning. And we're gonna be watching it. I'll put the play out there, and y'all understand what to do with the play more and more every day as you see it and as you see how it's moving. And then you looking at the charts and the candlesticks and the price points. But all this will start to make sense the more and more you stay on me and you dive in. Love y'all, family. Peace.